Manufacturing industry is in the middle of a remarkable transformation that is reshaped by digitalization and supply chain realignment. Driven by the need for resilience after recent disruptions, companies are aggressively adopting technologies like IoT, AI, advanced robotics to create smarter factories, enabling efficiencies, optimized productions, and data-driven decision-making. The global geopolitical events are encouraging industries to adopt a shift towards a new phenomena of nearshoring, reshoring, and even friendly shoring, moving from a pure just-in-time to a more just-in-case model with enhanced visibility and agility. At HCLTech, we enable this journey through our ambition framework, helping manufacturers unlock the value across the supply chain, digitization, workforce upskilling, and creating new product or revenue lines. And while digital maturity is still growing, many of them are still grappling with fragmented systems. At HCLTech, we step in there, helping customers integrate platforms like ERP, PLM, CRMs that can give customers visibility that they need for faster and smarter decision making. Sustainability is another major priority that is resulting in industry accelerating the adoption of green manufacturing practices as well as circular economy principles. With our net zero intelligent operations, we are actually helping clients reduce their energy usage, cut emissions, and align with their global climate goals. GenAI is rapidly transitioning from theoretical potential to delivering measurable operational gains in manufacturing. We are at the forefront helping manufacturers unlock this real value by focusing on practical shop floor applications. While the adoption and business synergies of GenAI is widespread across the entire value chain, we, along with our partners and customers, are focusing on areas that boost operational efficiencies, redefine quality and design, augmenting workforce using cobots and copilots, and enhance supply chain visibility, thereby creating greater resilience. For example, HCL Insight is built along with our partner Google using their Cloud Cortex framework and the manufacturing data engine that enables real-time defect detection and classification that allows manufacturers to swiftly identify and address issues, and thereby enhancing the product quality and reducing cost. But we don't stop at detection. Our GenAI-powered dashboards and conversational assistants empower factory workers to perform root cause analysis and implement corrective actions, thereby minimizing the waste and ensuring consistent quality across the production line. In essence, we are not just adopting GenAI, we are operationalizing it for our customers to drive efficiency, quality, and sustainability in manufacturing. Digital Thread facilitates a unified real-time collection across the various stages of a manufacturing value chain, including product engineering, design, supply chain, manufacturing, production, quality, and product and services. When this is integrated with generative AI, it actually enables analysis of data to generate deep process insights that aids in creating prediction models and enhance decision-making capabilities. Solutions like HCLTech's Smart Twin leverages NVIDIA's Omniverse to accelerate faster time to market through AI interference, simulations, testings, and optimization of multi-line productions. This generative AI-powered solution enables real-time collaborations and realistic simulations. Adopting these technologies enhances the operational efficiencies and drives innovations and resiliency across the manufacturing sector.